Good morning, viewers. This is Venkat, English. Today we are going to discuss the direct and indirect speech. We already we know that direct. What is a direct and indirect speech? Speech means the words spoken by somebody or a message given by someone. That we may report the words of a speaker in two ways. That is, we may quote his actual words. This is called a direct speech. The actual words of the speaker is called direct speech. And we may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech. Only the difference within the quotations is the exact words of the speaker within the quotations is the direct speech, and without quoting the removing the quotations and comma, this is called indirect speech, changing some changes in the report and both reported and reporting part. Now, before we are going to first we when we are going to change from direct to indirect speech, we should follow the rules. Some changes we have to change. First, we have to identify the given sentence. Here, example, Rama said, I am very busy now. Here, we have to underline the two parts. Here, two parts are there. Rama said one part, and I am very busy now, one part. So, this part is called reporting part. Rama said, and I am very busy now. In the quotations, within the quotations, this is called reported part. So first we should underline these two parts, then immediately what we have to change, see that changes in reporting verb. First one, changing in reported part. This reporting part, this is the reporting part. We have to, any change is required, we have to think before that, and we should see that what type of sentence this one in the reported part. Now example, we have four types of sentences: assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory sentences. So which sentence this one, we have to first identify within the quotations in the reported part. If you know this sentence, we can change easily from direct to indirect without any confusion. So I am very busy now is the simple sentence. It is a assertive sentence. It is a, here if you see the types of sentences given, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means this, then what we this come to that next, conjunctions. Conjunction or connecting word. Conjunctions means here, if it is an assertive sentence, then or exclamatory sentence, the connecting word is, we use that connecting word we have to use here, that we have to. So what we have to, we have to remove the quotations when we have to use the conjunction that. So here any reporting, here any said comes, there is no change in the reporting part. Said to if comes, said to comes, if it is said to comes, it will change into told in the assertive type. So here said comes, there is no change. So here if you see once, I remove the quotation and comma, and Rama said, I used that. This is a assertive sentence. No, that conjunction we used. And come to the change, come to the rule number 3 here, or changes 3. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns means here we have pronouns, personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are all called subjective, and object me, us, you, him, her, it, them, my. These are all are called personal pronouns. Here I is the personal pronoun. In this we have to identify that. First, reporting any change here required in that in the reporting part. Next we have to use the conjunction. It is assertive sentence that we used. So then pronoun we have to change. Here pronoun I is there. It is the subject here. I am very busy now. So here I means, here this pronoun belongs to I, we, if comes, this belongs to the subject. Here son, it is a formula is there, S-O-N. Yes, here subject, N object, N means no change. Here I means, here the subject, I, we comes, that belongs to the subject. So here the subject is Rama. So I is there. Here Rama means the pronoun what in the place of Rama we can write he. So that we change now, change the personal pronoun. Next come to the verb tense or reported part. Now here the verb we have to, or tense we have to change, verb or tense. Here am, it is in a simple present tense. I am very busy now, busy now. Here simple present tense. Now come to the tenses, changes in tense. Here there's changes in tense. Here come to how will change. A simple present tense becomes a simple past. Simple past means here am becomes was. So here I becomes a Rama. Here the subject Rama, it here changed into he. The pronoun changed he. I become he. So then the verb changed, am become, simple present tense become was, and very we have to write very, and busy, very busy. And now you come to the change, adverbs of time and place also we have to see that. Here now is the adverb of time. So we have to time or any place is there, that is also we have to change. Now how it will change? Here the adverb of time and places are given here. Now become then, here becomes there, ago before, thus so, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the day before. Like this it will change that, it will change. Now see that it is changed from direct speech to indirect speech. Rama said that he was very busy then. So here seeing this table, all this table, here all given, here all the rules, everything is given, a complete information. If you see that all the follow the rules, if any they give any sentence, any type of sentence, you can seeing this, you can change easily. Now example, here one set of examples are given, complete using all types of sentences here. Example, here the water said, the water said, we have a lot of problems. Here see again the follow the rules, reporting verb, any is a change is required, any what type of conjunction we have to use, what type of personal pronouns are there, and what type of verb is there, and the tense, and any adverb of time or the place are there. So here first we have to identify that this is the reporting part and this is the reported part. So the water said, it is in the past tense, and we have a lot of problems. It in the quotations, we is there, have, it is in the simple present tense. Simple present tense. So simple present tense, and what type of sentence this one? This is an assertive. Assertive means a conjunction that we have to use. Here said is there is no change in this, said only, we have to write said again. So the water said that, here we means, here already we learned we, I, we comes belongs to the subject. So these we belongs to the waters. So waters in the waters become in the pronoun, what will come in the place of water, we can use they. They, we use it written they. The water said that they have becomes, here had a lot of problems. So we change it into direct into indirect speech. So in this way, these changes we have to see, any required changes are required. We have to change according to these rules, the changes. Now come to that. The water said, "Oh, they have come again." So here, if you see this is in what type of sentence here in the quotations? This is exclamatory marks are there.